All right, what's up everybody? We are now headed to IWF, that's the International Woodworkers Fair in Atlanta. Should get there sometime late this afternoon, early evening. Got to make a couple quick stops on the way, and we'll be keeping you updated throughout the day. All right, so you can't go to IWF and not represent. So we had some friends whip up some shirts for us. Bam, there it is. It's the back, it's the front. Pretty bang up job. A little trip update. We are halfway to Atlanta. It's a long, boring drive. I got my friend JR here with me.
Hello.
Halfway there. Keep you updated. All right, so we are here in Atlanta. We're fixing to go to the meetup over at Highland Woodworking. JR.
Yep.
It's been a long ride. Should be a fun time. Full house. We got April Wilkerson, Mark Spangolo, and Matt Cremona in the house. All right, we're in the room for tonight, so we're gonna get up bright and early tomorrow and start making our rounds. So we'll see y'all tomorrow.